Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am super excited. This is Angela's here and I just wanted to tell you a little bit of what's going on. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel so every time I have a new video you guys are updated, and let's get started. Okay, so what's been going on with me? This is like the 401 of what's really happening and what I haven't been posting and why have I not been updating my new videos. I've been recording but I just haven't posted anything yet just because of a lot of stuff. But I'm just gonna break it down so we don't do it as a long video. But I will be telling you guys that it was tough, hard situations, but I'm here and I'm just super glad that we're okay as a family. You guys know that I'm a mom of two babies. Well, they're my babies, but they're not as babies. One of them is 4 and my son is 2, and my husband. So basically we had the coronavirus. Yes, we had the coronavirus. Unfortunately, we had that I had it for like a week. My husband and my kids, well, my son, he got it negative, the results, but my little girl and my husband were the ones that got it, and it was just really tough, you know, but we got through it. Thankfully, we were quarantined for the 2 weeks, isolated from everybody. We couldn't go to church, we couldn't go anywhere, and how I was feeling was like I kept like recording stuff, but then I was like, oh, I'm so like exhausted and not feeling well, and I just couldn't edit. You know how that is when it's like the flu. That's how I felt, like it was the flu for me basically. So that's what's been going on these past 2 weeks. But even before that, I hurt my arm. Yeah, it's just been really hectic. Mom life, wife life, and myself life, but thankfully I'm here. We're healthy, we're good, the babies are good. We got tested this weekend, and thankfully everybody got a negative as a result, which is a good thing. And I'm super excited that the summer's coming and I have so many ideas. I'm gonna be uploading the videos that I did do. I did do one that I can't wait to show you guys, that it was with my little girl. She wanted to do a video with me, so I was like, you know what, let's do it. Even though we're not feeling good, you're always got to think positive and just think positive. Every time when you're sick, you don't want to get out of bed, you just gotta think positive, have a good mentality, and just get up and be like, let me drink a tea, let me get some soup going, but I'm gonna get up. Because I feel like if you're laying in bed, you feel worse. Like if you're gonna lay in bed the whole day, you're gonna feel worse. You're not gonna feel like you want to feel, which is not good. So that's what I did. Thankfully my husband, he was helping me out as much as possible as well, even though he had his symptoms, which were he had a fever and he was really tired. Like all he wanted to do was sleep. But we're like, no, you can't go to sleep, that's not good, you have to get up, and stuff like that. I in the other hand did not get I got symptoms, but it was I lost this the sense of smell and the sense of taste. So I cannot taste now. I'm like trying to get to it, and I told my husband I'm just gonna keep eating until the flavor comes back to me. I'm just gonna keep eating and keep eating because hopefully it comes back, because I'm like so scared that I'm just gonna forget what everything tastes like, and I miss it. Now I think I value it even more of all the food that I miss tasting, especially chocolate, because everybody loves chocolate. So that's what's been going on, but I'm super excited. because the summer, like I said, is coming and I have so much. And guys, I opened up my TikTok and I can't wait for you guys to just search for me and see my videos. I did do one today and I can't wait for you guys to see it. And yeah, comment. You guys know how much I love your comments, and just let me know how you guys are doing and what you guys suggest so I can continue uploading my videos. Thank you, Bella fam. Thank you for everything. I know some people have told me, hey, where are you? And I'm like, I'm sick. But hopefully I'm back. I'm going to be uploading all the videos I did. And I just want to tell you guys to stay safe and keep using your Lysol. See you guys next time. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, you guys? Toodles. Bye. I can't believe I just said toodles. I mean to say, bye, Bella fam.